Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to powder coat at home using a dual voltage powder gun starter kit that comes with everything you need to get started. Let's see everything you get in this popular kit and show you the steps of powder coating. And don't forget, if at any time you want to visit Eastwood.com for more information on this kit, all you have to do is click or tap the button in the top corner of the video. First, you get the dual voltage gun, which is what you need for most powder coating jobs because the dual voltage is what allows you to get into the hard to reach corners as well as the large flat areas. We also give you a ½ pound of gloss black powder, which is one of our most popular colors, especially for suspension and underhood parts. We also give you 3 more bottles for storing additional powder. And remember, Eastwood only sells virgin powder, so you're getting quality powder, not reclaimed dust like you often find in those supposedly great internet deals. You also receive a pack of high-temp silicone plugs to keep the powder out of unwanted areas, high-temp masking tape, stainless steel hanging wire, and an inline air filter. All you're going to need is an old electric oven and compressed air. And since you don't need much air, you don't need to invest in a large compressor, and you can use a small pancake compressor like the one we use here at Eastwood. And if you're doing small parts or just want to try powder coating, we also offer powder coating ovens that don't take up much space in your garage. So what are some advantages of powder coating? First, one 8-ounce bottle of powder covers the same area as 2 to 3 cans of paint. Plus it can be applied thicker than paint without running or sagging. It emits near 0 VOCs and hazardous waste. Simply sweep up the overspray and blow out your gun to clean it. Much easier than cleaning a paint gun. Plus it's more durable and chip resistant than paint. How resistant? Let's look at a test we did. One panel is painted and one is powder coated. Let's see what happens when we hit them each with a pick hammer. As you can see, the powder is much more durable than the paint, and if it survived that hammer blow, it will survive most applications. The paint chipped while the powder simply stretched with the metal. We even coated aluminum foil and crumpled it up into a ball and opened it back up without any of the powder flaking off. Now let's show you how simple it is to powder coat. With a bottle of powder attached to the gun, simply attach the ground clamp and apply the powder. When the part's coated, place it in the oven to cure for about 20 minutes. While the part is curing, sweep up the powder and blow out your gun, and your garage is clean before the part is even cured. And because powder is so durable, your parts are going to look great for a long time. And you can do cool effects with powder and change the appearance by simply changing the base color. You can see the difference in these top coats that were sprayed over a white base and chrome, which drastically changes the appearance of the powder, giving you the look you want. If you ever wanted to try powder coating, there's never been a better time than right now. And we have a lot of videos at Eastwood.com as well as on our YouTube channel that will give you the tips you need to get the best results. For more information or get your powder coating starter kit today, click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen and you'll be powder coating in no time.